An incident forced an Air Niugini aircraft to make an emergency landing in a lake. 4 nearby households quickly approached in their boats and successfully rescued 47 people, including passengers and crew, before the aircraft sank to the bottom of the lake. Oh my God, I have to admit one thing. The rescue team consists entirely of extraordinary individuals. Look at how he fought and controlled the waves to be able to approach and bring the swimmers to safety. This elderly person is desperately seeking help, realizing that they couldn't wait for the fire brigade to arrive. These heroic young men risked climbing up to rescue the elderly person before the flames engulfed everything. The Ford driver, with remarkable agility, swiftly maneuvered into the left lane to intercept the hazard, sparing a woman and her child from potential harm as the other vehicle barreled dangerously close. A massive flood in China swept everything away, and the rescue workers are always the ones who rush into the most dangerous places to save people. It's a noble job. Heartwarming moment when all the vehicles on the road stopped to help the old man who fell down. Humanity is still inherently good. Dad is always a superhero in the eyes of children. The excellent reflexes and experience, coupled with the commitment to ensuring none of his students get hurt, are why he deserves to be a coach. Rescuers are always the last ones to leave during disasters, searching and rescuing others in distress. Respect for their noble work. This journalist abandoned the live coverage to assist a disabled refugee struggling with mobility issues. Glory lies not in fame or wealth, but in the character of humanity. This father has the power of the Flash, and surely his son is proud of it. Perhaps this is the funniest rescue mission you've ever seen. This woman attempted to retrieve a bracelet that slipped into the toilet, only to find herself unable to withdraw her hand afterward. The team of workers spotted a dog being swept away by the water. Their quick thinking led to a clever rescue strategy. With the compassionate hearts of the entire team, they executed their rescue plan perfectly. Without any safety gear, just with courage and love for animals, the man bravely faced danger to give the pigeon a new lease on life. The spirit of martial arts was clearly demonstrated in this moment. The fighter stopped the match and escorted his opponent to medical care upon noticing his opponent experiencing a heart attack. One of the most valuable things that enriches and bonds life is kindness. This is the rescue team. A killer whale luckily escaped from poachers but was still injured and losing strength. The wildlife rescue team provided first aid and helped it breathe again. Eventually, it regained strength and could return to the ocean. Do you think pigs can only eat and sleep? Well, think again. How adorable. He knows it's in a lot of pain. Look at how gently and tenderly he removes it. This playful cat failed during its tightrope walking performance, but luckily, there were loyal spectators who helped it safely land.
Давай падай. О, давай. О, молодец. Боже мой. Я не знаю.
In this world, some things are considered normal, but for underprivileged children, they're luxuries. This is the first time this boy has learned how his name is written. This is a wonderful way of teaching children to share and be kind to others. Congratulations to the family on having such a beautiful and compassionate princess. In that moment, Mbappe wasn't just an outstanding football player, but also a great role model for young fans, demonstrating kindness and respect towards his supporters. In a thrilling match, when his opponent's bow malfunctioned, causing him to miss a shot, instead of taking it as an advantage to lead, he decided to skip his turn to shoot, to create fairness for the opponent, and as a result, a victory recognized by all spectators was achieved by this gentleman. A moment of entertainment for both athletes and the audience. A noble sportsmanship spirit. Usually, passengers are not allowed in the cockpit, but this was an exceptional case. The boy wished to become a pilot, and the captain helped him experience this before taking him to the hospital.
There you go. Look at that.
Do you believe it? This young man left his car on the highway to run over a kilometer to clear the way for an ambulance. God bless you, bro. This smart delivery guy helped the elderly lady onto the vehicle without her having to touch the water.
Just want to help you out. Get the windows clean, you know? Yeah.
Not many people are willing to spare their time to help others.
Headed to Arizona back home.
During the figure skating awards ceremony, the athlete who won the gold medal was of modest height, but other athletes skillfully helped him get a beautiful photo. Human waste is always a nightmare for animals. This poor swan got tangled in fishing line, leaving it stranded, It took quite some time for this man to untangle the mess. Now it's free, but it seems too exhausted to swim further. This fox is planning to steal fish from the fisherman. However, instead of getting angry, the fisherman gives it a few small fish. The fox accepts the food from the fisherman's hand, which is quite unusual as foxes are typically very wary. Perhaps due to extreme weather conditions making hunting difficult, it sets aside its caution. And here's another example of the dreadful effects of climate change. This camel has exhausted itself under the scorching heat of the desert and collapsed by the roadside. A driver stopped and gave it water. Now, it looks much better. This dairy cow repays its owner by waking him up early every morning. Despite being infertile and unable to produce milk, which should have led to its sale, the owner chose to keep it. This is a reunion after 6 months of separation due to the pandemic. The fans showed their support for the children from the local hospital by donating packed lunches and teddy bears. This developmentally delayed man sat watching the driving game for over 2 hours with a delighted expression. The staff at the game helped him experience his dream game. This employee has been with the company for 14 years. She's been single-handedly caring for her developmentally delayed son. This Christmas, the leadership team dedicated a gift to her, recognizing her contributions.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, Merry Christmas!
Today is a lucky day for the boy as he has 30 seconds to grab anything he wants.
It's 9 times 9 is 81.
What would you have chosen?
4, 3.
A street performer noticed a homeless person nearby rummaging through trash for food. She stopped her performance and shared some money with him. A smart way of teaching children. Surely the little girl's kindness has begun to blossom. The young man revealed he is gay, and this is how his mother reacted.
Personality?
I guess so.
What is it? I might know anyway.
Guess.
No, I don't want to guess. I want you to tell me. That boys or girls? You gay? It's okay, and I knew you were. I knew you were, huh? Shush. I'm sorry. Don't be sorry, silly. I'm sorry. I love you no matter what in the world. Don't you know that? I just want you to be happy. I say let Matthew grow up someday and have his own wife and children someday, or whatever kind of family he wants to have. I've known it, so I just figured. Okay?
Yeah.
This is the most special fan of the football team. The emotional meeting of Tom Felton with a fan. After 2 decades, the family united to bring joy to their mother, marking a triumphant success. During the game, the military officer made a surprise appearance, returning from Afghanistan to delight his children. Following the military officer's surprise return, the rest of the family joined in, making it undoubtedly the most cherished Christmas gift ever. Let's spread love and compassion so that each small gesture of ours becomes a great story, connecting and making the world a warmer place. We can make a difference, one small action at a time. Let's join hands in creating a compassionate and caring community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to spread positive emotions and meaningful messages through these small acts together. Sincerely appreciate your support.